Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a dark side 2014 Ford Fusion SE, stock number 18G642A. Right away up front, you can see this is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 17-inch Michelin tire. Inside you have a black cloth upholstery. That's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 up front, and you got seating for 3 in the second row. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. And the reason that I'm showing you this Ford today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. There are keypad entry buttons on the driver's side door. On the inside of the door you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. Stepping inside to the left of the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, which in highway mileage gets you around 34 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Fusion or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.